Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to change the Lightbox navigation arrow color in the Divi Gallery module. By assigning a custom color, you can make your arrows match your brand, improve contrast for better accessibility, and create a more visually appealing browsing experience for your visitors. Let's get started. To change the Lightbox arrow color in your Divi Gallery module, you can use the Lightbox Arrows setting available in the Divi Gallery Booster or Divi Booster. This feature allows you to apply a custom color directly from the module's Design tab, no coding required. It's an easy way to ensure the arrows reflect your brand's style while also improving their visibility over your gallery images. To access the Lightbox Arrows color setting in the Divi Gallery module, open the module in the Builder and navigate to the Design tab. At the top of the Settings modal, you'll find a search bar. Type in Lightbox Arrows to quickly locate the relevant settings. Once you've found the color control for the Lightbox Arrows, click on the color dropper icon to open the color picker. From here, you're ready to choose your custom color. Once you've opened the color picker, you'll have two options for setting your arrow color. You can either choose one of the preset colors or enter your brand's specific hex color code for precise matching. Once you've made your selection, simply close the color picker to return to your gallery settings. This ensures your arrows perfectly align with your desired look. After setting your custom Lightbox arrow color, don't forget to save your gallery module settings. Once saved, go ahead and publish the page to make your changes live. This will ensure that all visitors to your site can enjoy the updated arrow color in the Gallery Lightbox. Now it's time to preview your custom Lightbox arrow color. Navigate to your page on the front end and click on any image in your gallery to open the Lightbox. Take a look at the navigation arrows on both the left and right sides of the Lightbox. They should now appear in the color you selected, enhancing your gallery's overall style with your personalized touch. Customizing the color of the Divi Gallery Lightbox arrows is an easy yet effective way to make your image galleries stand out. It adds a personal touch, improves visibility, and aligns perfectly with your brand's style, all without needing to write any code.